In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strikingly Website Builder. We'll start right at the beginning so you can go from a blank account to a published site with confidence. First, head to strikingly.com and click Get Started. You can sign up with your email or connect a Google or Facebook account. The basic plan doesn't require a credit card, which makes it perfect for testing ideas. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Pick between a single page or multi-page design. Single page sites are great for portfolios, simple business pages, or event promos where you want everything in one scroll. Multi-page sites work well if you have distinct sections like services, a blog, and a store. Browse templates by goal, business, portfolio, online store, or blog, and choose one that matches your style. Don't stress too much. You can change templates later. Click Edit to start customizing. Updating content is straightforward. Click any text and type your own copy. Click Images to upload your photos. Use clear headlines and high-quality images to make your message stand out. You can rearrange the layout by dragging sections up or down until the flow feels right. To expand your site, click Add New Section. You'll see options like a hero or banner for your main headline, about for your story, services to list what you offer, gallery for visuals, contact forms so visitors can reach you, blog for articles, and store if you want to sell. Add only what you need to keep things focused. Next, open styles to adjust the look and feel. Choose fonts, colors, and button styles that reflect your brand. Keep fonts limited to maintain consistency, and pick a color palette that complements your images. Upload your logo for branding, and add a favicon so your site looks polished in the browser tab. If you want to sell online, click Simple Store, add products, set prices and photos, and connect PayPal or Stripe for payments. To collect inquiries, add a contact section, customize the fields you need, and enable email notifications so messages land in your inbox. For a custom web address, go to Settings, then Domains to buy a domain through Strikingly or connect one you already own. Strikingly sites are mobile responsive, but always preview on mobile and adjust spacing, button sizes, and image cropping so everything is easy to read and tap. When you're ready, click Publish. Your site goes live instantly, and you'll receive a free subdomain like yourname.strikingly.com. You can upgrade anytime to use a custom domain. Finally, visit Settings, then SEO to add a clear page title, an engaging meta description, and a social sharing image. On paid plans, you can connect Google Analytics for deeper insights. And that's it. You're ready to build, refine, and share your Strikingly website.